Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to solve Google Play Store cannot be opened on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, if you have the problem like this, you just have to go ahead to this Google Play Store applications, and now you just have to tap and press for a second like this in the Play Store icon. Now tap on this app info, and after here you just go ahead to this storage usage, I guess, and now you just have to clear for the cache first. And if you have to clear this cache, you can easily open your Google Play Store again. But if it is still not working, you just have to clear for the data also. And the reason why we have to clear the cache and data on a Google Play Store is so that the Play Store returns to its initial settings and the accumulated data can be deleted on the Google Play Store, making it easier for us to access the Play Store again. And if you confuse what's a difference within the clear cache and the clear data, the clearing cache frees up space and can fix minor glitches on your Google Play Store. You will not lose your login, setting, or personal data on the Google Play Store. And actually, it's safe to use when an application feels slow or your storage is running low on Google Play Store. And then from the clear data, the data application is the core information like login, settings, preferences, downloads, and save files from the Google Play Store, I guess. So yeah, I think it's enough from me tutorial how to solve Google Play Store cannot be opened on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.